Good evening, ladies. How are you? I hope that all of you are fine. Inshallah, today I'm trying to make for you a quick revision about English exam. Inshallah, our exam will be about one selection, only one story. The title of our story is Mole and the Baby Bird. And I'm trying to discuss with my students some points about the story. Inshallah, as I told you inside the class that before reading any story, I should ask myself some questions. The first question is the title. And as you know, the title of any story means the name of the story. Okay, the title of our story today is Mole and the Baby Bird. The title is Mole and the Baby Bird. And as you know, after that, I should ask myself about the characters. The characters mean person and animals in the story. So the characters mean people if we have people in the story, and animals if we have animals. In some stories we have people only. In some other stories we have animals only. In this story we have some characters. The first character is Mole. The hero of this story is Mole. So Mole is an animal, and we have other characters. They are mom and dad, so his mom and his dad, and some of his friends, and Baby Bird and his grandpa. So in this story the characters are Mole, mom, dad, grandpa, and some friends. At last we have a baby bird. Okay, after that I know the title, the name of the story, I know the characters. After that, I should ask myself about the setting. Who can tell me what the meaning of setting? Setting means the place where the story happened and the time. The place and time. The place where the story happened and time when the story happened. So, in this story we have only place. This story happened in the forest. After that, it happened in another place at Mole's house. Two places we have in this story. At the beginning of the story, the setting is the forest, inside the forest, when Mole will find the baby bird. After that, at Mole's house, when he will take the baby bird to his home. So, I know the title, the characters, the setting. After that, I should ask myself about the genre. The genre of this story is animal fantasy. What the meaning of animal fantasy? Who can tell me? Animal fantasy means the characters in this story are animals, and they are acting and doing things like people. Okay, so as we told you, every reading section that before I will read any story, anywhere, I should ask myself, why I will read this story? What is the title of this story? Who are characters in this story? What is the setting, the place and time this story happened? Where? This story happened when? After that, I should ask myself about the genre. This story is what, realistic fiction or animal fantasy? So, our story is Mole and the Baby Bird. The characters are Mole, mom, dad, grandpa, some friends, and small baby bird. After that, the setting, we have two places, in the forest and at Mole's house. The genre is animal fantasy. Okay. After that, all of you should read the story at home before the exam, and I will open for you the revision sheet. Wanna go? Now let's start with our reading revision sheet. As we know that we have only one story, Mole and the Baby Bird. We have some reading comprehension questions. Okay, here. Based on Mole and Baby Bird story, read and answer these questions. Number 1. What does Mole do to take care of the baby bird? Letter A. He fed him and made a nest for him, or he kissed him. Okay, the answer will be letter A. here. He fed him and made a nest for him. Okay, let's say the question again. What does Mole do to take care of the baby bird? What does Mole do to take care of the baby bird? He fed him and he made a nest for him. Number 2. Why does Mole's mother think the baby bird should fly? Why the mother for Mole said to him that this baby bird should fly? Because he loved it or because it fluttered its wings? Yes, letter B. The answer will be letter B. After that, number 3. Why was the bird sad? Why the baby bird was sad? Letter A. Because Mole kept him in a cage in a dark room, or because he wants to sleep. Which one is the correct answer? Sure, letter A. Because Mole kept him in a cage in a dark room underground, as we know in the story. Number 4. What is the important lesson that Granddad wants Mole to learn? His granddad gives him a lesson. What is this lesson? Birds are bad. He said to him that birds are bad, or birds are meant to fly. Allah creates birds to fly, as we said inside the class. Okay, the answer will be letter B. After that, number 5. Why does Mole wait? Why? Why Mole waited and waited inside the story? At the beginning, if you can remember, at the beginning of the story, when he found the baby bird, he waited and waited. Why? He waits for his friends, or he waits for the mother bird to come and take the baby bird. Which one is correct, letter A or letter B? Of course, we'll choose letter B. He waits for the mother bird to come to take care of the baby bird. Okay, number 6. What is the genre of the story? Fiction, letter A. Fiction, letter B. Animal fantasy. We can answer letter A or letter B? Letter B, as we know, animal fantasy. What the meaning of animal fantasy? Means that characters in the story, all of them are animals. Not only animals, no, they are acting and doing things like people. They are talking, they are living in a home, they are having mom and talk to their mom like us. Okay, so the answer will be animal fantasy. After that, we have vocabulary. Number 1, we have would. Some words here: would, should, door, loved, and usually. Number 1, you space say thank you. Which one you will choose, other or should? You space say thank you. Who can answer? Can I say you other say thank you, or you should say thank you? If you want to be polite, you should say thank you, right? So the answer will be letter B. After that, number 2, space means most of the time. Letter A, usually. Letter B, new. Which word means most of the time, usually or new? We took the 2 words, so the correct answer is usually. Usually means most of the time. Okay, number 3, I liked it a lot. I space it. I, letter A, enough or loved? I liked the same meaning of love. So I like this a lot, or I liked it a lot. I, enough it, or I loved it. So the answer will be letter B, loved. Number 4, 2 children are knocking the space now. The door or brains? 2 children are knocking the space now. The door or brains? The correct answer will be the door. Now I'm knocking my door. Okay. Number 5, the chair is made of wood or work. Which one is correct? The chair, look at your chair if you have a chair at home. This chair is made of what? The correct answer will be letter A, wood. Okay, now we finished reading the vision sheet. Wanna go to another vision sheet.